My name is Mario Kellman. I am 30 years old. I did foundation laying out at Gateway. I am familiar with construction. I am a mason. I studied mason at skills training 2 years ago. So foundation laying was a plus for me with my mason skill. So I did enjoy it. The material was easy to understand. I'm familiar with the material and stuff, Basically, understanding a building foundation is the most important part of the building and the strongest part. So the teacher break it down to a T and make us understand the reason why the foundation is the strongest part of the building. It preferred me good, because it was a different environment and working along with others and stuff. So I just had to, what I learned in my training, I just had to display a job attachment to see I'm a good worker. Working along with others and showing that I can be on the same page as what they're doing and give them advice, although they're doing something wrong, I give them advice about something and the safety in certain areas, running safety gear and stuff. So yeah. My experience basically is just, what I signed up for the foundation laying out, or just tend to work along with laying out foundations more to get into understanding and laying it out more, and getting to work along with somebody with more experience to help me understand more about laying out the foundation and also displaying, building the blocks to get the foundation ready for a pour. And along with recommending others, it's a real good program to get into, and it can help you in the long run, and it's a plus for a different field of working in construction.